Hello everyone, I represent all Abam's questions. Today I want to show us how to make a tailor's arm. And these are the basic tools I'll be needing: my tape rule, my scissors, tailor's chalk. Tailor's arm is very useful in pressing our darts, curves, our princess curves, and so many other things like that. And it's very easy to make. I have this scrap of material. I think it's chinos. It's very thick, so I folded into two because I want to double it in each side, and I folded again. So I will have two for each part, but because I need to cut it on fold, so I will fold over again. I think I have 4.5 inches, and I think I have 13.5 inches length, which is okay. I will even reduce it. You can do it according to your preference. And let me make mention of this: there are so many shapes for our tailor's arm. The aim is just for us to be able to use it to iron our cuffs. I have 13.5 inches here. Let me just make use of 12 inches. The more the length and the width, the more materials you will need to stuff it. I want to make it into an oval shape. Just like I said, it is to you according to your preference. Let me just come down by 2 inches here, and here let me go by around 1.5 inches. Just do it as you like. I have a total of 4.5 inches here, so let me curve it down by 3.5 inches, and here I will be making use of 2 inches because I want an oval shape. From these 12 inches, I will now try to curve it down. I'm trying to have it in oval shape. Let's open it up now and see what we have. Can you see how the shape formed? And I have 4 pieces of cloth, so that means I have 2 pieces on both sides, so I'll be placing the right side on each other, and I will sew round. I think I did my sewing like 4 times just to secure the thread, and I left a little opening for stuffing my fabric. I'm done sewing round for like 4 times, and the essence of doing this is just for reinforcement. I don't want my fabric to be coming out, and here you see me cutting out all the loose thread. We left a little opening here just for us to be able to stuff in our fabric, and I'm going to be turning over. But before doing that, I will be notching around the edges just to make my turning very easy. What I will now do is to turn it out. I will take it to the ironing table and iron it, and make sure all the edges are popping out properly. So as you can see, I'm done ironing. Look at how neat and beautiful it is, and it's laying flat. Look at it at the other edge. Everywhere is laying flat. So all I need to do now is to go stuff it with cotton fabric. I have some cotton straps, and I will do that off camera. Look at our oval shape. We are done with the stuffing. Although I did it in a hurry, this is just for you to get the idea. So what I'm going to do now to finish up is I'm going to be closing this side with my hand medium. There is no hard and fast rule as to how you can do it. I'm trying to hide my thread, so you just try to close up the edge, and you will try as much as possible to make use of a matching color of thread. As you can see, I'm done closing up the edges, so our arm is ready. And just like I said, we have different shapes that we can make use of. And this is one of the uses. It's a pity I'm on gel now. I would have shown you how to use it. You know, this is my princess cut blouse, so you know it will be very easy for me to iron all this. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing. Click the notification bell. It is free.